WAGRINNOVA project has been running on in northern Ghana since 2019 and will be soon entering the final phase. The work of University for Development Studies was to study lowland rice production in northern Ghana, which is a major center for lowland rice, and to see how the smallholder farmers could be assisted by working on co-production of knowledge, co-innovation, and developing various techniques for both men and women rice farmers to be able to support them and improve their yield and livelihoods.
Was first to survey the land area, took soil samples for analysis, and then installing rain gauges on the farmers' fields. In fact, showing farmers how to install these rain gauges and how to collect data from these rain gauges.
After working together with two communities in Savlugu district, that is Yepalsi and Napanzo, we have realized that farmers have a lot of knowledge, and then this has helped us to develop more accurate weather prediction. We have expanded our work also to Bulum in Tolum district, and then we are now working on similar activities with them.
We selected two communities in the Savlugu district. In each community, we selected 16 farmers using purposive sampling. Now, these farmers were trained to be able to observe the environments and then input forecasts based on indigenous ecological indicators that were already documented in the app, the Farmer Support app. So after evaluating this project with the farmers saw great success with the app, in the sense that out of every 3 rains, the farmer can say he was able to predict 2 out of it. So on a scientific basis, all the data that the farmers entered were collected through a server, and these were analyzed to see if the app actually predicted the ground situation. Comparing this data to the ground situation, as in the rainfall in those particular communities which we had that data by the means of the rain gauges installed, we were able to analyze and realize that the performance of the app was way above 50%, which was a good performance.
Brakana to wutla sa tuma yili tenya nangsham antai kasama kata kwabandira ma sham to bra wote kama ne sa yibia ne sa kan brakana to wote temira dire dan fan da ba yin chanta ba fatraza ka ba ne sa bia ne ako chanta ba fatraza ma ko to ba o mi sa songuna ka ba ne ren to ba ka chanta ba ami yin chanka so yin chanta bo fatraza ka yina an yolo guho biara ka sama garna ga bi sama ne mishama zo fatraza ma ko to ba
kan di amfani shel de punira nyala dra songma ka anto zangale kurbuka tampune den simsi sham do me chang nan ta ko mi be yam barbambra zungo be ya kaza sama nan biene zan chang sa hango banda wurma ban shel ma ka yan gule nta ka chang tabre in yam ba kulum banda ala wur te bang sim shel bu wurma tirta ma bang sim shel ma dan kan la yan gule ka chang ta ba kulum dila nye chang ma ta pompi ban wurma ban shangama dan nam kan la yan gule sa ngo biene yi chang ta pompi sa ram min sa la bi wa ku min sa dan kan la yan gule kalan tom chang ta nan wulan tlam pompi ja har zo nda di amfani pam da puna na ku di amfani shanga kan de kan kalkal ma
I was involved in the WAGRINNOVA project, and the activities that I was involved in was mainly the debate, both intra and then inter-community debate. So the intra-community debate was about a debate between women and men in both the communities. And the intra-community was between female to female and then male to male, where we hosted it, one at Yapalsi and then the other one at Napanzo. So the first activity that I was involved in was the intra at Yapalsi, which was between the men and then the women. And the aim of these activities, the debate was to assess the understanding of the Farmer Support App training and to establish the gender difference in terms of the understanding of the app.
We gained interesting information, and we realized that men are using our mobile application in agriculture. They want to know when it will rain and if the rain will be suitable for, let's say, applying a fertilizer in the rice field. But women want to know more. Apart from being interested in agriculture, they also want to know, for instance, if the weather will be dry in the next 3 days so that they can dry the agricultural product. Is the weather going to be good enough for them to go to market, and so on. So we realized that one mobile application is used differently for men and differently for women. And women actually have more different and diverse uses for this application. We have tried to share this information with our other colleagues on the project, working in Burkina, Senegal, Spain, and the Netherlands. And we think that this could be useful for other partners on the project.
We have seen it, or how it's good for us, and I said it is good for the people of Yapalsi and then good for the farmers here, because each and every, during the raining time, each and every farmer, they get to question me, today can we get the rain or we cannot? Through the phone I can able to answer, or I can able to tell them, and if I tell them, it will be very true.